No. Okay.
Hi everyone, long time no see. How's it going? I hope you all doing well and having an amazing day. My name is T. I am 28 years old. I'm living in Da Nang, Vietnam with my little cat. Her name is Misa. So it's been 2 weeks since my last video and some of my friends and even co-workers has been asking me why I haven't posted any video. Yeah, honestly, I was quite busy at work, and when I get home, I just want to rest to relax. And another reason is that I have been filming with my phone, so the video quality hasn't been so great. So I was waiting until I got my paycheck from my company, and guess what? Today I just got paid, so I decided to finally buy a new camera. So now let's go to the store and check it out together.
Last time I bought my laptop here and the service was pretty good, so I came back to grab a camera. Honestly, this place feels like a tech heaven. They've got everything. I wish I could buy it all, but my wallet says no. Before coming in, I asked the staff for permission to film, and they said yes. They even told me it's great if they can get some free advertising. I got the DJI Osmo Action 4. Yeah, I know they already got version 5 and even 6 super fancy stuff, but the version 4 is already good enough for me. I checked it out online beforehand and this camera is perfect for my budget. This cost $280 and I hope it's a good investment. I went for the Adventure Combo Pack. It's awesome. Inside you get a camera, a protective frame, 3 extreme batteries, and a battery case, a 1.5 meter extension stick, 2 adapter mounts with locking screw, and even a Type-C cable. It seemed like filming the unboxing process made the staff a bit nervous. I just wanted to check what was included. I'll go home and figure out how to set everything up myself.
Meow.
Misa was even more excited than me, my little four-legged troublemaker. It's compact and lightweight, and I'm into this clean, simple design. The black color also stay looking new for longer. The protective frame looks good, but it's inconvenient that I have to take it off whenever I change the batteries. And the battery drains pretty fast too. I got a little impatient with my cat, so I put her in her backpack. After about 10 minutes of figuring things out, I managed to set everything up. Now let's give it a quick test. Looks like I just took a photo by accident. I definitely need more time to figure out how to use it. Alright, now I'm heading outside to test the camera while riding, just to see if it shakes or not. And we're gonna go to the beach just for fun. Staying at home all the time isn't good for my lungs. Oh, hold on. I need to mount the camera on the front of the bike. Give me 1 minute. It looks a bit funny, doesn't it? Alright, I'm heading to the beach. It's super close, only about 5 or 7 minutes away. I want to show you what the streets and traffic in Vietnam look like. To be more precise, I mean the traffic where I live, because in big cities like Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City, the traffic is really crazy. But here, since it's more a suburban area and not the city center, there are fewer vehicles. This is the road I take to work every day. Driving doesn't even take 5 minutes, so sometimes I just walk instead. Today the sky looks really gloomy. It feels like it might rain this afternoon. Too bad I didn't bring a raincoat with me. Around my area, new buildings pop up everywhere, mostly condos and apartment blocks. The roads don't really have lane divisions. Every type vehicle just goes together. Yesterday there was heavy rain, so puddles of rainwater are still lingering on the ground. On weekends, I really enjoy coming to the beach to relax. Here they charge a small fee for parking motorbikes and for rinsing off with fresh water. Just 6,000 Vietnam dong, which is about $0.2 US. Around 90% of the people swimming here are locals. I don't see many tourists coming to this spot. The weather isn't sunny today and there's no food vendors around. Usually there are a few selling fast food, bread, and sugarcane juice here. There's a restaurant here and it looks pretty beautiful and cozy. I have never eaten there because I usually come alone. I do have a few friends, but whenever I ask them to go out to eat, they don't want to. Sometimes I wonder if they are really my friends at all. The beach isn't very crowded today. On sunny days, it's usually 5 or 6 times busier than this. Looking out at the kites fly in the sky, I miss my childhood memories. There's something purer about watching them dance against the skies, carried by the wind. It makes me think about freedom. The freedom to wander, to explore, and to create. That's a part of why I started filming these moments. I want to capture not just the scenery, but the feeling of being here, the sense of peace and wonder that the beach gives me. These are basket boats, the traditional means local fishermen use to catch fish near the shore. Today I'm not swimming. Normally, I dive into the water and let the waves carry me. But today is about filming, about sharing this experience with you. I want to show the rhythm of life here. It's not glamorous, but it's real. And sometimes reality, in its raw and simple form, is more beautiful than anything staged. This grandpa and grandson are collecting clams from the sea. They are using a net to dig and filter them. These clams taste amazing when cooked in hot pot.
Tao muốn bỏ bao cho nó dễ.
Em mở ra coi được vậy không?
3 con.
3 con hả?
Standing here by the sea, I feel like life slowed down just enough for me to catch my breath. The sound of the waves rolling in, the salty breezy brushing against my face. It all reminds me why I love coming here. The beach has always been my escape, a place where I can clear my mind and reconnect with myself. Sometimes daily routines feel heavy. Work, responsibility, even the little frustration like dealing with my mischievous cat. Yeah, but the moment I step onto the sand, all of that seems lighter. The ocean has this way of reminding me that life is bigger than my worries. I often think about how lucky I am to live so close to the sea. In just a few minutes of driving, I can be here surrounded by open space and fresh air. It's different from the chaos of big cities like Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh City, where traffic is overwhelming and the pace of life never slows down. Here, things are quieter. It's raining now and people are heading home. I wonder why they stopped swimming after all. They get wet in the sea anyway, so why be afraid of the rain? As for me, I'm not in a rush. I didn't bring a raincoat. Some people playing volleyball over there. I don't really know how to play sport. My brother is really good at volleyball. Today they don't have mackerel fish and no tuna either. My cat only likes mackerel or tuna. I'm going to wash my feet and go home. I'm like a little mouse caught in the rain. Looks like the rainy season is starting. On my way home, I stopped by a small veggie store to pick up something for dinner. I only grabbed 3 bananas and a few chicken eggs. The total cost $2. Finally, I'm home. It's the weekend, so I think many people went back to their hometowns. That's why the parking lot is pretty empty today. Now I have to climb the stair a bit, getting a little exercise with me. I'm used to it, so it doesn't feel tiring anymore. Shooting by myself is actually a bit of work. If I had someone to help me record, that would be amazing. Hello. Mommy, come home. Now I have to take a shower, cook dinner and rest. I hope you enjoy my video. Please give me a like, a subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you and see you next time.